In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or void an e-signature document in DocuSign. Voiding an envelope in DocuSign stops the signing process for everyone and marks the document as canceled. It's permanent, and recipients will be notified with the reason you provide, so it's best to be sure before you proceed. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, sign into your DocuSign account. From the main dashboard, open the Agreements area, which is where your envelopes live. In some layouts, this is also labeled Manage. This page shows your documents by status, so you can quickly find what you need. Next, locate the envelope you want to cancel. You can scroll the list, filter by status, or use the search bar if you know the document title or envelope ID. When you've found it, select the envelope or open its action menu to see available options. Choose Void from the menu. This opens a confirmation window asking for the reason you're canceling. Providing a clear reason helps your recipients understand what happened and keeps your audit trail tidy. You'll see common reasons you can select with one click, such as the agreement needs to be updated and resent, or one or more parties decline the terms. If neither fits, pick the option to enter another reason, then type a concise explanation in the text box. A good approach is to be specific but brief. For example, incorrect pricing on page 2. A revised agreement will follow. Once your reason is set, confirm by clicking Void. DocuSign will record the action, stop the signing workflow, and notify recipients with the message you provided. The envelope will move into a voided state so you can reference it later, but it can't be completed. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Double-check you've selected the correct envelope before confirming, since voiding can't be undone. If your plan is to send a corrected version, choosing the needs to be updated and resent reason sets clear expectations for recipients. If you don't see the void option, the envelope might already be completed or expired, or you may not have permission. In that case, contact your account administrator. And if you have many documents, using search or filters will help you find the right envelope faster. That's it. You've successfully voided a DocuSign document, provided a clear reason, and ensured everyone stays informed.